And going up. Ouch. And don't die in. Let's get these tires off. Oh, rear tire off. Oh, it's never, well, these axles are never lube axles. So I'm just going to check brakes, adjust brakes, because these are a single seal bearing and doesn't look like anything's wrong with it. So everything looks good. Cap is clean. Backing plates look pretty good. So I'm gonna do an inspection on this instead of doing bearings because I don't need to do bearings on this. All right, I got marker lights on. Front driver's working. Passenger's not working. I'll open it up, see what bulb it needs. That one's not working. We got good rears. It's good. Good rears. Got good over the fender. The left turn is on and working. Right turn on. Right turn on and working. Now the brakes are free spinning, so let's hit brakes. Brakes are on. Brake is locked up. We'll adjust it just a little bit. This brake is pretty good. Already rubbing really well. Brake pad life looks amazing on the inside. Brake pad life looks like on the front side. And brake pad life on the front side looks good. All right, this one's good. Let's lift that up, see what the brake pad life looks like, see what it sounds like, adjust if needed. Put the tires and wheels back on. Rear, tight, good. I'll put that plug back in the backing plate. Coming down, good. Come on, please. Where'd I put that plug? There it is. Plug is back in the backing plate. Let's lift the front up. Driver's side front going up. Brake sounds good. Grab a flashlight, look at brake pad life. My light, brake pad life is amazing. Needs to be adjusted out just a little bit. I'll hit the brake, see what it does. Front, free spinning. Electric brakes are on. Front, absolutely locked up. Perfect. Let's release it, make sure it's free spinning. And back to free spinning. Perfect. Let's adjust the brake just a little bit though, because it's just a little bit out that it needs to be. And when you're adjusting trailer brakes, put your brake adjuster in and pull down towards the ground and it will open up the adjuster. As long as the brakes are not self-adjusting, which I hope they're not. My light go is brakes are not self-adjusting. Good. Slightly rubbing now. A little bit more. Come on, buddy. There we go. These things are way out of adjustment. There we go. Slight rubbing on the brakes. They're where they need to be for the brake pad. Throw the plug back in it. Come on, please. Let's get passenger side up in the air. Check brakes, adjust them. Brake pad life looks great. It does need to be adjusted. Unplug and pull down to adjust. Adjust it out till it won't spin anymore. Get it off till it's slightly rubbing. There we go. Front is adjusted. Brake pads are closer. Good. Your camera died, but I got passenger side up off the ground. Looks like we need to adjust the brakes. Brake pad life is good. And it's good on the front. Check the front as well. Let's get this out. Just come out until it stops spinning. Come on, buddy. Tires stop. Adjust the back. There we go. Slight rubbing on the brakes. Let's check brakes. Rear free spinning. Front free spinning. Rear passenger locked up. Front passenger locked up. Perfect. And back to free spinning. Good. Free spinning. There we go. All brakes are adjusted. I'm gonna torque lug nuts and see if I can get those bulbs working. Rear driver's good. Front driver's good. Let's do passenger side. Front passenger side good. And rear passenger side. Rear passenger side is good. All lug nuts torqued. Let's see if I can get these marker lights working. The filament on the bulb still looks good. Let's see what's underneath. Rusty. Yeah, that's not gonna want to come off. It's sealed on there. Darn. What's the part number on this? These are Peterson's P299. Look that up, see how much they are for them, and probably have to order it in because I don't know if my warehouse even has these light housings. It's one thing that's hard about trailer lighting is there's a million different housings, bulbs. You can never have them all. Heck, even the common ones are hard to. It looks like each trailer has them. I'll order in a couple, and that's just these two. These two on this side. What's the bulb look like? It's the same, I think. It's got a little, that one's a little corroded on the front. This one's a little corroded as well. But all the other lights work. Just these two marker lights are not working. Oh, I can check his reverse lights. It does have reverse lights. One is working. These are Bargmans. Open this one up too, because this one's not working. Again, just had a bad connection. Cleaned up the connection. Reverse lights work. Sweet. All right, E-Trailer came in clutch. They have them in stock. So I got them coming out. Ship them out to me and I'll put them on when I get them. Let's do the rundown on this. Did not need bearings because it has Dexter Never Lube hubs. Did need brakes adjusted. All the brake pad life is good on the front and rear of the pads on every single backing plate. I adjusted them out. Brakes are working now. They are braking and they are releasing nice and smooth. All lights, I got lights working that I could. These two lights on passenger side need to be changed out, so I ordered those from eTrailer. They should be here hopefully this weekend. Left turn, right turn works, backup lights work, marker lights work. He's just got new tires, so I don't have to worry about tires. This one's done. I'm on to the next.